What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Deberoo and today we're going to take a closer look inside of Visto and we're going to look for some ClickBank offers. Alright, so let's dive in. As you can see, I'm already inside of Visto and we are going to look for ClickBank offers. And we want to search on affiliate offer. And if we press search, we'll get a couple of results, but let's get a little bit more specific for what we want. So for example, the date, what should we say? Last 30 days. So this makes it very easy. That way you don't have to select from date to date, but you can just say last 30 days and it grabs that. What country do we want to see our ads? Let's say we want to see the United Kingdom. I want to see some English ads for both male and female. Right? I'm not going to fuck with the e-commerce right now. Let's see, more filters. We can put in English here. But since we're looking for the United Kingdom, probably all the ads are going to be in English anyway. The ad format, do we want to see images or videos? Let's say I want to see videos right now. So if you have an offer, for example, a ClickBank offer, which you want to run with a video, you can specifically look for video ads inside of Facebook using Visto. The best part about it, Visto is free right now. And they don't know how long that's going to be, but for now it's still free, so make sure to check it out. No results, so let's say both. Let's see if there are some images. Nope. Nothing in England. Let's see. That I want to see Australia. Nope. Okay. Nothing in Australia. Maybe something in New Zealand. Okay. Do we have any if I remove this? Let's see. Okay, we got one, right? Maybe I should delete this. Do we get more? Two. All right, 2 ads in the last 30 days. So let's widen our spectrum of date. Let's say the last year. Do I get some more results? I do get more results. So now let's get United Kingdom back in there. Nope. Okay, let's see Australia. Nope. So let's check it out, right? Because this is kind of odd. So if you're looking to promote a ClickBank offer in New Zealand or Australia or the UK and you don't get any results for the last year, then you want to do some more research on geo, right? What kind of geos are popular for Facebook ads when using ClickBank as your affiliate network. So you can see the countries right at the top of every ad. So we've got Thailand here, USA, Canada, Portugal, Cyprus, another Canada, a lot of USA. So that suggests to me that the USA is probably big right now with ClickBank offers on Facebook. We've got Nigeria here, we've got Iceland is that, Colombia, Morocco, Romania, Israel. All right, so a little bit all over the place. Romania, another Morocco, another Romania, but that's all the same affiliate, right? This is the same image and it's not the same ad, but it's the same image, so probably, most likely, the same affiliate. Same over here. So he's running in multiple countries and these are the same as well. And I believe that this guy is this guy. So yeah, so he is launching his campaign in multiple countries, Romania and Israel thus far, but also in Egypt, India. Right, okay. So we're gonna focus on the other countries. Most of them is USA, Canada, Sudan, South Africa, France. Okay, so by judging by this, judging by the ads that have been running, and you can even dig in even more and see how they are performing, you can select your geo based on that information. And that way you go into your Facebook campaign, your ClickBank campaign, using that information. You already know what kind of countries are working for ClickBank offers on Facebook. So right now you might have decided, okay, I'm gonna run in Canada instead of the UK and instead of Australia. So I'm gonna search for some Canadian ClickBank offers on Facebook. What is hot in Canada? So this is Digital Toolbox, one of the quickest ways to boost your opt-ins or sales of your ebook is to offer a bonus report or ebook. But there's a problem, creating bonus reports and ebooks is hard. All right, American Coaching Academy, 30-day vertical jump challenge. So that would be in the sport niche, and this would be probably in the e-com niche. American Coaching Academy, same ad, 14 minutes Tabata circuit for youth athletes, so more sport. What is this? Oh, this is a French-Canadian ad. So I got no clue what this means. Numerologist, seeing 11/11. What does it mean? 11/11 is the most powerful day of the year. The 11th day of the 11th month. Find out what that means for you. Be ready for new beginnings. Manifest for your future on 11/11 with our free manifestation guide. All right, and the same over here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of ads here. We got 2 ads based on sports. We got 1 ad based on e-com. We got 1 ad which is in French, so I don't know what the fuck it is. And then we've got 2 numerologist ads. Let's check out the French one, see if I can get some more information on what kind of offer they are promoting. Let's see their landing page. So French as well, right? But we can translate it, so that's good. Too late. Registration, nope, don't allow. Registration to the program, Extreme Money V3 are closed. So this is probably make money online, right? And then it's just a opt-in to get some email addresses from them. All right. So based on this information, you might say, okay, in that case, I want to focus my ClickBank campaign on Canada instead of the UK, for example, and I want to focus it on sports, for example, instead of whatever you were planning to do, right? And then if you focus on the sports niche, for example, then you might see, okay, you're going to check out these 2, obviously. So you go over here, you check out the landing page, you check out the Facebook posts, and you check how it's performing. And then when you want to get some more information on how to reach your sports audience using Facebook ads, you might say, okay, I'm going to delete that search keyword of ClickBank. I'm going to ads. I'm going to remove Canada, and I'm gonna type in sports. See what kind of results we get then. There we go, a lot of sports ads. So with this information, you can get even more inspiration, and you can also kind of get the feeling of what is working right now in the market, right? So use the filters to find the ads that you're looking for and to get the information that you need to target your campaign. You might want to Swift geo, you might want to Swift vertical, but you've got to get the information before you make those decisions, because the decisions that you make have to be grounded on valid information. So sign up with Visto if you haven't done so already. Use the link below, I'll drop it in the comment section, and then you can get a free spy tool to spy on your competition and on the market for example, ClickBank and Facebook ads. That's gonna be it for today. I'll catch you next time.